Hey, hi. I'm Karishma, founder and CEO of Atwix Private Limited. Atwix is a behavior-first strategy consulting firm using cognitive insights to help small and mid-sized businesses unlock their growth potential. Just to give you a quick background about myself, I'm an IIT BHU grad, uh, having almost a decade-long experience working for organizations like Mahindra Automotive, Vodafone, LTI Mindtree. I have worked on initiatives like business transformation, digital transformation, product innovation, design innovation, and a lot of strategic initiatives as well. In my last stint, I was heading the strategy consulting practice for a leading startup, uh, fast-growing analytics startups based out of Bombay. It was a short stint, but an impactful one. Okay, so recently I started this company, Atwix, uh, in the view of helping small and mid-sized businesses address their pain points and maybe help them scale a lot more faster than they would have otherwise. Consulting services are generally accessible by enterprise and government institutions because they have a lot of funds available to them. That is not the case for small and mid-sized businesses. It's a little bit budget control, but having that consulting services accessible to them can help them grow a lot more faster. So we are currently focusing on few key pain points which can help them unlock uh, their growth potential. So first one being not sure of what is the brand positioning. We help companies establish their brand positioning, maybe creating a logo, help them how to get it trademarked, creating that consistent brand image across platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, uh, Instagram, WhatsApp, etc. So establishing their social media presence across channels, which gives a clear and crisp messaging of the services they offer. That is one key service that we are offering. Another one is helping these businesses create a website presence. So most of the small and mid-sized businesses opt for a economic solution to get a website, but website is the first point of contact for your end customer. The first thing that a customer is going to see is your website and accordingly judge the quality of services that you're going to provide or the authenticity of your brand. So it's very important to ensure that the website that you have developed speaks truly of your brand. The third service that we provide is through our strategic partner, CRM messaging. We provide an extended suite of services in marketing communication, which allows you to manage your WhatsApp calls, emails, chats, etc. through one single place. You can also call using different numbers, allow multiple users to use a single email, calls, etc., and makes team management a lot more easier. You can also push campaigns through this solution. So instead of trying to reach out multiple people through calling them day in and day out, you can utilize this out-of-the-box solution, which is easily deployable and quickly scalable solution. You can opt for services as requirement and accordingly pay as on go. They also have a pay-per-click offering, so that also you can avail. So these are the top three ones that we are dealing. We also deal in providing data solutions or dashboarding solutions to these smaller enterprises. So for smaller businesses, having data. Okay, so for smaller businesses, data is something which holds prime value. Reason is at this point you don't have a lot of data, but the insights that you can generate at an initial state out of the data is going to help you scale a lot more faster. So we help you formulate that data strategy, craft those dashboards that can be easily consumed by your team, by you, to make the impactful decision instead of tracking KPIs which are chased by everyone in the market, but not of that much utility. Okay. We are also into digital transformation. Since I have an extensive background in product innovation, product conceptualization, design innovation, so we help you create a quick product roadmap, product concept on how you want to go to market strategy, how you can basically generate revenue out of a certain product. We also provide consulting and advisory service in that. Apart from that, we can help you develop that product also much faster than your peers. So yeah, that is all about the core services that we offer. If you have anything else in mind that you might be looking for and are unsure of that maybe we or we may not be providing those services, you can definitely get in touch with us and we will connect you to the right partner who can help you out with that. So that would be all from my end. You can drop me an email at karishma@upwix.co or reach out to me through any other channel, and we can maybe have an exploratory call to understand your business, your pain points. Accordingly, we can do a 2-day workshop, empathy workshop basically, to help you understand what might be blocking your growth. So this will be free of cost. We'll give you a strategic report, and accordingly we can move forward. Or you can give me a call and we can have a demo for these services. So yeah, that would be all from my end. Let's get in touch very soon.